Hello, creative kids. Welcome back. In this episode, we will draw Sky from Paw Patrol. Let's get started. At the center of the page, draw a small, downward-pointing triangle. This will represent the nose. Slightly above the nose, right in the middle, draw a curved line extending towards left-hand side. On the opposite side, draw a semicircle to form the eye. Inside the semicircle, draw two smaller circles, one for the iris and a smaller one for the pupil. Now let's add the other eye. Leave a distance between the eyes. At the base of the eye, draw a curved line. On top of this, let's draw three concentric circles for the iris and a smaller one for the pupil. Imagine a line dropping straight down from the center of the eye. Below the eye, at about 1/3 of the eye's dimension, draw a small curved line to mark the corner of the mouth. Then add a curved line to form the snout. Right under, draw another curved line form the bottom of the head. Extend this curved line upward, continuing it smoothly over the first eye you drew, creating the side of the head. Let's add the eyebrows. To add the ear on the left-hand side of the eye, at a small distance, start by drawing a vertical line extending downward from roughly the center of the eye. Next to it, draw another vertical line, but end this one with a gentle curve to form the outline of the ear. Draw another line next to the curved one, but this time, make the curve go in the opposite direction. Replicate this at a smaller scale, slightly up the ear's length. Now let's finish the ear by drawing the top part. From the first line we draw, let's add an oblique line going up. Stop this above the eyebrow. Add 3 more lines parallel to it. At the end, let's draw the aviator goggles. Make it as 2 ovals, one on top of each other. Draw the brim of the aviator helmet in front of the goggles. At the top, add strands of hair peeking out from beneath the helmet to give it a more dynamic and natural look. Once we are here, let's add the other ear. Let's draw the helmet straps as well. Similarly, draw the same thing on the other side of the head. Let's close the top of the head and the remaining part of the aviator goggles. Directly beneath the head, add the neck by drawing 2 short vertical lines extending downwards. Let's draw the collar. From the side of the collar, draw an oblique line to create the back of Sky. To draw the front leg, try to imagine a line from the corner of the eye to set the position of the first leg. Next to it, draw the other front leg. Let's draw a line to create the chest. Finish the drawing by adding the rear leg and the tail. Additionally, you can add the backpack. And there you have it. Great work. Great work, everyone. Nicely done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What were your favorite moments? Also, if you have a special request, please leave a comment and I will do my best to draw it. Until next time, stay curious and be creative.